Hi, listeners from Web Marketing Academy community and Social Media Week participants. This is Deepu, co founder of collegestuff.com, would like to report on a podcast show workshop which we have conducted during Social Media Week. The topic for discussion was how can help in one's career. This event was successful as over 50 participants have turned up to listen to our workshop. We were extremely delighted as many of its members actually came forward and participated on a live recording show. Today, we are going to air the live recording show which we have recorded during this workshop. This live podcasting show was attended by Ms. Manasi, who is a visiting faculty of Web Marketing Academy, and Mr. Vikash, who is a social media expert and web analyst, and who is also an avid blogger, who have a website called digihooks.com. The following is the live recorded podcast show from the workshop.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikash. I have been a blogger since past 3-4 months. So I am a social media, marketer. I have been into social media. I've heard a lot of people saying that Indian audience is totally about Saas Bahu serials, or I would say a typical reality show like Bigg Boss, Roadies, or something like that. But what I feel is we are transforming. Why are we on YouTube, watching something like TVF or AIB, or going through interviews of various people on Your Story or Social Samosa or anything? I feel we are ready for it, but the only problem is there are not enough people who are creating that much content. And with content, I would say relevant content, which people actually want to hear, which people actually want to listen to, and to people whom we want to listen to. We must be having interviews with normal people, taking interviews with the company CEOs, maybe what Your Story is doing, going to some genuine startup companies, and taking interviews, how they have leveraged, and what difficulties they faced, in opening their own company. Recently, I took one interview with, the co-founders of mywash.in, and, when I told my parents that, they are doing something that, washing clothes, if you want to wash your dirty clothes, just go to mywash.in and log on, and they'll take up the pick and delivery and give it back to you in a perfect and in a proper cost, that is with ironing. So past from about before 3 or 4 years ago, you wouldn't have even thought of it. So why not podcast? Now we are into a session where you guys are just telling us what actually podcast is. But we should have been into a situation where you would have been telling us the technicalities of it. So we are far behind, but we need something to be developed right here, right now, to be at a stage where you guys can come up and not tell us about the introduction, but tell us what's actually going behind it. So what's your take, Mansi, on that?
I think most of the people here, podcasting is like, Indians are not ready for it. What he says is right, because you will not be able to judge about something until you know what it is you've heard a podcast, right? So you hooked on to Facebook only after you had your profile or somebody else had their profile and showed off what it was. So until you know what it is, it would be wrong to judge that, we're not prepared for it. And also with technology, what India has faced over the years is that, in the US, for people to move from any ordinary phone to a smartphone, they probably took more than close to a decade. Absolutely. What happened in India? 3 years. My domestic help doesn't want to use what button and all is there in that. She can't use it. She's like, I'm happy with the smartphone, a touch screen. Okay. There are times when the cook messages me saying that she'll put a picture on the WhatsApp and say, will you have half an omelette or will you have a whole omelette? That's how communication goes on. And you're looking at the diversity of people it has reached. Okay. So what India took last 2 years to move from an ordinary phone to a smartphone or a touch screen, US took about 5 years. So I think it's going to be the same with podcast, where overnight someday we will move. And now it's very important that we move to a podcast, because as digital marketers today, you're on Facebook as an individual, it's great. For a brand, it's a fight, it's a war. You don't spend, you can't be on Facebook. and that's a trending thing, right? Everybody's getting onto Facebook and they're there for such a long time. And since your parents are coming onto Facebook, you go onto WhatsApp. So new technology is coming, you're taking it up. So podcast is just another thing where you will take it up, you will max it out, you'll talk so much about it that probably 2-3 years down the lane, everybody's doing podcasting, you'll want to move somewhere else. But right now, ride on the way. It's getting there. Ride on it. That's the best thing.
Absolutely.
Second thing is, I think literacy is the biggest issue in India. Okay, digital marketing, literacy is the biggest issue in India. Plus the languages. You're literate, but then it's not English alone. You've got like different languages as well. Podcast is the answer to all of these things. You can address the issue of literacy. Plus, you can do podcasts in different languages. See, when mobile advertising started, when mobile sites started, like, say about a decade ago, the one who had the maximum traffic to their to the mobile site was somebody called Pappu Mobile or something. He was in some Punjab ka khet, in the fields. All he did was, it was a download for your tunes, the new wallpapers, new music, all of that. Okay, so when somebody like that could take it up, I think anybody can take it up. So it is the new the next big thing, and it's good to start now, and it's accessible by everybody. There is no filter that oh, can I start it? Can I not start it? Is it okay if I'm a student? Oh, I'm too old for it. It's never been an issue. So it's digital, it's podcast. So that's where it's.
I would just like to add one more thing. She said, Mansi said that it is the next big thing. I think it is the big thing right now. The next big thing would be something that we all don't know. So I feel this is the big thing.
So one of the major reasons why this would not hold too much of water is because discovery of podcasts is still not very well tuned. However, it's not even solved at this point in time, because sound per se, sound to text conversion, then because all the search that happens through text right now, the sound based discovery is not yet in. So that could be a major hindrance for podcasts to start off. Do you have any points on that?
I think there's a very recent video workshop that we took recently from WMA where there was a 3-year-old child searching on Google for his favorite videos. And how did it search? Using sound. There is no way a 3-year-old could type, right?
Very true.
So, and also the recent efforts by the government. See, rural, they want to reach out, the government wants to reach out to the farmers. So there's something called Gram Vani which was started, it is a website. And then they've started something called the Mobile Vani. Okay, so there's a lot of podcasting happening there. There's a lot of speech that's happening there. They can call. There is website. There's a lot of podcasts on it. So the government itself is taking initiative to get there. So it will happen. I mean, it's a tough nut to crack. I think yesterday Mahesh mentioned that it is a tough nut to crack.
Absolutely.
But then we're getting there.
Yeah.
Okay, because it is a challenge. Google wants to penetrate into this market. They understand the challenge that literacy and languages are a problem here. So they want to get there. They will get there eventually.
What you're talking about is a medium of delivery called sound, but sound discovery as yet. Even when you talk on Google and ask for results, it just converts that bit of it onto that bit of audio onto text, which is possible on Cortana, also on Windows right now. So it just converts that thing to text, and it searches in text. It doesn't search sound. Right now, searching in sound is something that's still pending.
Right, it's pending. As I said, they're working on it.
Actually, there is an app called Shazam.
Yes.
It's a music-based discovery.
Yes.
But then again, the music is already cached.
Exactly. So right now, Shazam, they could broaden their market by putting in podcasts into their app, and maybe that'll actually help. I mean, you listen to a podcast, all of a sudden you have no idea what it is. You like it, but you don't know which name it is. I mean, that time you can just discover and you can find out which app it is. Maybe that's the market they need to look into.
Possible.
Okay, thank you guys for chipping in and talking about this particular session. Okay, thank you everybody for joining us in this workshop. Thank you Manasi and Mr. Vikas for participating in this live podcast. You may follow Mr. Vikas on Twitter at DigiHooks, or you may even visit his website, that is www.digihooks.com. Last but not least, if you are a college student who is listening to this podcast, go visit collegetout.com. That is www.collegetout.com. It is a classified portal exclusively for college students, wherein which you can post your used books or any other items for selling and purchasing. For any further comments regarding this show or your feedback or reviews, do visit Web Marketing Academy website. Thank you.